I used to work as an electrician in nuclear power before spending 17 years in the HVAC trenches. If there is one thing I've learned, it's that technical data doesn't lie. Today, we are tearing into a ducted split system matchup between the champion TCE2 and the Friedrich FRA15AY. Both of these are entry-level workhorses, but when you look at them through a contractor's eyes, the differences start to show in the build quality and the long-term protection of your investment. Let's look at the build first, because in the field, the cabinet is your first line of defense. The Champion TCE2 uses a stamped steel coil guard with slotted panels. It is a solid, rugged design that physically blocks hail and stray rocks from flattening your fins. On the other side, the Friedrich FRA15AY features curved louvered panels. While both provide protection, those individual louvered panels on the Friedrich are designed for easier service access. They provide a bit more of a premium look while shielding the coil. If you want that coil to last, you want the physical protection both of these provide over a basic wire guard. When we talk efficiency and the guts of the machine, we are looking at a slight edge for Friedrich. The Champion TCE2 is rated at 14.3 SEER2, while the Friedrich FRA15AY reaches up to 15.2 SEER2. Both run single-stage compressors, which means they are either 100% on or 100% off. From my electrical background, I look at the inrush current. Because these aren't variable speed or two-stage units, they take a full hit of amperage every time they kick on. It's basic, reliable tech, but you aren't getting the soft start benefits of high-end inverters here. On the noise front, the Champion clocks in at 73 decibels and the Friedrich at roughly 74. You'll hear them running, but they won't wake the neighbors. Now, let's talk about the money. For the equipment alone, you are looking at roughly $1,900 to $2,200 for these condensers. Once you factor in a professional installation, the price tag usually lands between $5,000 and $8,300, depending on your local labor rates and the complexity of the job. These are your budget-friendly options designed to get a home cool again without breaking the bank. But cheap can get expensive if the warranty isn't there to back it up. Before we get to the winner, here is a bit of field advice. Even the best unit is a paperweight if the coils are plugged. Hose out your condenser coils every spring to keep the head pressure down and the efficiency up. The real separation happens in the warranty battle. Friedrich offers a 10-year parts warranty. Champion also offers 10 years on parts and the compressor. In this matchup, they both provide a 1-year unit replacement pledge. If that compressor fails in the first year, you get a whole new outdoor unit. The verdict? The Friedrich FRA15AY takes the win. While both units are built tough, the Friedrich gives you a higher SEER2 rating of 15.2. Those premium curved louvered panels make service calls a lot faster for your technician. When you are spending thousands of dollars, you want the slightly higher efficiency and the better serviceability for the long haul. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website.